Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video, welcome back, and with nialoosh 13 today we're going to be playing Sound of Fear Part 2. So, we've played this Sound of Fear game before, with lemon bread actually as well. Well yeah, it's the second game of it, so yeah, it's not Part 2. This is the second game of it, so yeah, we're going to try it to see, the last Sound of Fear video, the Sound of Fear we done was a couple months ago. So if you guys haven't watched the first one, probably go check it out. Just scroll. I will make a playlist of it. Oh yeah, call the music box. Also, I will make probably a playlist of Sound of Fear, so you guys know what after this video is done uploading. So yeah. Anyway, this is a bit interesting. What the hell? Oh, cool. That's chilled. Let me guess, we need to find the pass to try fix that. Alright, that was like, not the best jump scare, but Art of Fear. Huh. I mean, it makes sense, because the lady was drawing. Anyway. Right, oh my god, what the hell is this town? What the hell is this game? Yeah, I know, I'm in and I can inventory. Why do we have an inventory? Oh. Okay, well, let's do this. I never said anything about your ice lolly. I mean, bruh. Oh, museum. So we got to, like, check it out. I'm not gonna lie, I'm having a bit of controller drift. Okay. 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 Interesting. Interesting. Yes, sir! Sorry about that. So where we, Lucas, where we... I know you're having a nice lolly right now, but... Yeah, I know, the art is quite incredible. Cool. Oh, nice, that one's nice. Oh my god, as soon as I go on my torch, just... Wait, I have really, really, really bad controller drift holding the what's it, the torch, so I can't hold it. Okay. nialoosh found a clue. nialoosh 13. Okay, what the hell was that? What the fuck was that? Oh, that makes sense. So, we gotta go down here. No, there's no way you're going AFK as soon as it goes that fucking dark. He's probably put in his ice lolly bin. Bro. I might crash out, guys. But anyway, I'll talk about the Sound of Fear, basically. So far, the other game of Sound of Fear has been completely different. It weren't about paintings and art, so... Yeah, basically... I don't know, so, yeah. give me a stretch. Shit. Okay, anyway. I don't get this inventory thing. Like, as soon as I go on my torch, this happens. Like, yeah. Yeah, then I having 2 really bad controller drifts. With my... Hi, okay, you're back. What, the ice lolly you just had was mank? Well, what flavour was it? That sounds good. Orange flavoured... Origin Virgins. Bro, I was going to pick it up, but you done it before me. Oh my god. Okay, 17:38. Enough for an I, Miss Dio. You are as my art. You're a native little pro. What? I'm trying. Look, I didn't know. I didn't know we had to go upstairs. Oh, shut your ass up. Let me open the door then, so I can do something. Okay, a microwave. Whoa, no, I forgot because it was for 3 of us. Me, Lemon Red, and nialoosh 13. So, if Max joins and we could just restart it, that'd just be better. Lucas, can you hear me? Why the... Okay, I'll read it. Anti-store destroy... Sav Games launch game about Brazil. Graffiti artist buying a buyer receives art reward. What the fuck? Well, nice. It says 1780. Oh my god, Bill, you just shush. I'm trying to do something, but like, you keep on going in front of me. Yes, please. I don't know what we're doing. So do we go that way? Let me do the next thing. Oh my god, they actually did. No, I don't like that, to be honest. What? What? Yes, I know. Why did you get scared? Yeah, I am, but why did you get scared? I saw something rip it out, but I don't know what it was. Yeah, let me get... Why does it say that Graffiti Matt didn't do anything? Oh my... But I unlocked the door, so why didn't it say anything? Okay, that looks interesting. Oh yeah, he'll smart ass. Okay. Uh-huh. Rio. Apparently that girl's name's called Rio. Whatever. So much bloody books. Yeah. Oh my god, bro. Oh, shit. Fucking hell! I was not... Look, I was not expecting that. I swear down, if you were... You motherfucker, come... Why? Okay, yeah, this is kind of creepy. Oh, yeah. Well, there's just missing P. I need to... Okay, why did my game have a massive lag spike? Jesus Christ. Oh my god, will you shush about to do it all? Why do I keep on having massive lag spikes? Oh, found something. Doesn't matter, I didn't. I found a door, Lucas, over here. Oh no, but all thanks to me, we found a door. Oh, we need to collect paints. 1 out of 3. Not true, actually. I'm just saying it. Okay. Possibly, let me do it. Oh my... Bro, will you shut up about all the missing... Yes, please. If you find something, let me do it. I want my name on the board for once. Graffiti man unlocked the door. Oh, for fuck's... Prof, I'm trying. Okay, why am I having massive lag spike? Jesus fucking... I hear whispering, or is it just me? I hear him whispering. I do. From behind us now, fuck. Huh. Yeah. I don't. Let me go through the door. Oh my god, why wouldn't he let me? Okay. Oh, because you found one of the paintings. Nice. Whatever. Come on, I got that first. Whoa, my god. Does it let you emote? Yeah. Yeah, it's actually kind of creeping me out, not gonna lie. But yeah, and it's actually cool as well. Like, it's cool music, but it's creeping me out a bit. Oh my god. Mm-hmm. What the fuck? Of course. Well, I just definitely just... No, yeah. Yeah, it's you who's just opening it, not gonna lie. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This is cool, I like this lift. Right, Lucas, let's do this. Wait, let me stay next... Yeah, me neither. I don't like this either. Yeah, you are glowing, like your skin kind of. I hear whispering. No, man, don't. please, please. No, no, actually. Oh, yeah. No, please. No, please, actually, why? Well, alright, guys. Seems like that was the end. Oh, yeah, you're going on your mobile. Oh. Okay, well, guys, Lucas is playing Grow a Garden at the same time. I'll give you, like, Lucas, I'll give you, like, 5 minutes to, like, do... I'll give you 5 minutes to just do whatever on Grow a Garden. Uh-huh. Can you make some space for me? Okay, wait. Look. Just do your thing on Grow a Garden for a sec. Just get that shit over and done. Can you do your thing on Grow a Garden for a sec? Huh? Because I thought, I don't know, I thought because you said that you want to do it. I don't get it. I keep on having massive lag spikes. Okay, Lucas, what... Okay, guys, we just got to wait for Lucas to do his random we're just waiting for it to... We're just waiting for him to do the random shit on Grow a Garden. So yeah, while we're going to do that, I'm just going to listen to Gangnam Style. There. Okay, so have you got the sugar apple yet? Have you got the sugar... Have you got... Oh my god, my game had a massive lag spike. I keep on having... I have massive lag spikes, like it's crazy. Have you got the sugar apple yet, Lucas? Have you got the sugar apple? Bro. Okay, fair enough. Oh my fucking god. It lagged me. It's lagged me. No, I don't. I'm not even kidding. She's so fast. Yep, obviously. What I'm trying... Okay, don't worry, she's not behind me. We'll bang Gangnam Style. Behind you. No! Wait for me, my lag. Oh my fucking god, stop lagging, game. You need to go back on this video after it's done and look at my fucking lag spikes. It's so bad. Is that room 1? Is that where we're supposed to go? Phew. Okay, so should there be a key in here for room 2? Mm-hmm. to find like a key or something. I don't know. So far, this one's a bit more creepier than the other Sound of Fear. From memory, guys. Anyway, this room's bare massive. I don't know why I'm saying bare because... Okay. Oh my god, look! I turned around as soon as you said, like, don't follow me and that. Okay, I'm getting bummed by a woman. This woman. Of course. Oh, guys, you don't want to know my lag right now. Like, you guys are viewing this. Sometime... Oh my god. Yeah, I'm trying to come. The lag right now. Add another lag spike. Why does the sprints run out so quickly? It's kind of annoying. Gang. What, have we been in room 2 or something? I swear... Was this room 3? Look, I'm sorry. I did find it, to be fair. I'm level 100. Let's go. And an access card to room 4. Let's go, Lucas. Uh-huh. Other way. What do you mean, good luck? I'm right behind you. Wait, my lag! I had a massive lag spike. Wait, my lag! What the fuck? Yeah, thank you. I appreciate it, Lucas. I appreciate that. Gangnam Style. Oh my fucking god, man. No, what? Okay, yeah. On your mobile. Okay. Look, I'll allow it on your mobile, but don't you dare leave the actual game, like, on your PS5. No! Okay. A friend. Oh, weird. My lag spikes. I dare you to go back on this video. Okay, we're in the engine room. I know. Bro, I could have got that. I dare you to try to find every single thing before me because... You know, when this video is done and when it's uploaded... what I want you to do, Lucas... Like, let me get that. Oh my god! Get out my way. Why do I hear a bee? I heard a bee. Is it in my bedroom or... Like now? Like I don't... Is that actually my bedroom? Oh, it can't be. What's that? Oh, looks cool. Okay, what is wrong with my controller drift? I'm not taking that. I'm not taking it. Because of my controller drift. Go back on this video. Yeah, no, that doesn't work. That doesn't work for me for some reason. Go back on this video and look at all the problems I've had. Yep, thank you. I bet. Well, I'm using it. I'm literally using it as well. Okay, this is actually a nice elevator. My fucking lag spikes. Okay, for some reason the graphics on mine have got way better. We do. Oh. Yeah, okay, what do we need to do? That's actually fear in real life for me if an elevator stops. Okay, cool. Yep. Says the one with a fucking tail. Anyway, sorry, I had to. Oh my god, no, let me take a... Why? I want to do one thing. I want my name to go on the screen. Let me. That's it. Come on, another fuse. Oh my god. Bro, I've actually... Oh, donuts. Nice, I love donuts. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Will my name go on the wall? No, it fucking doesn't. Yeah, I know when it goes on. It's when you open doors. Yep, I just said when you open doors. Yes, when you open doors, I was acting stupid. My god. No. Chasing. Yeah, that was creep. Bruv, you got me scared. I want to play... Oh! Jeez. Bit scary. I wish I had like a part 2 of Hawk Security. Hawk Security was the best horror game ever. One of the best horror games we've played. Hawk Security. Baby, I've been praying. Yeah. Okay, we opened the curtains. I've been praying hard, and no more calendar. That don't mean... Let's go. Oh my god! You actually are as well. Get lost! You're a drawer all this time, wow. I bet you're gonna go in as well. Why are you drawing her? A weird what? Seance? What the fuck? Yes. Yes, I do. Oh shit, get unlucky. Okay, I think I kind of went in with you. I don't know why, but my screen is still kind of black. Bro, what the fuck? Yeah. You think? That's interesting. It's interesting. I have to. Don't I do? Yeah, I mean, I would love to do another horror game video today, but you know. Can't believe, like, for the whole... I can't believe the whole horror game you found, but I didn't literally find a single thing. You found everything. It was kind of annoying because I did find stuff and you kind of got it first. Gangsta. Right, yeah. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to smash that like button. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye, and don't worry, I will make a playlist about it of Sound of Fear 1 and 2. So yeah, bye.